Here's a very pleasing item that from the outside appears to be primarily Canadian Rockies promotional brochure, and indeed it is. It has this as folded as issued, actually, a booklet with photographs and maps within it for the area to promote tourism here. Nice item, really, illustrated. But what distinguishes this is at the rear is this very large, which I'm going to now attempt to unfold here. And you got to be very gentle and let the paper of the map kind of do the unfolding on its own. There's a certain skill or practice that comes from unfolding something like this carefully. And what we have here is this monumental panoramic bird's eye view of the Canadian Rockies, showing various features, including little steamships in the lakes. Here is a hotel-specific hotel right here. Here's all the train lines. There's an inset over here of Vancouver Island. We see here that electric lines, trails, roads, steamship lines, proposed railroad lines are noted in the key. And there's more hotels and ships and so on annotated. There's Mount Baker there. Yes, and so this large color lithographed map, then with any luck we can just get it to fold itself back up, back into like this, and we'll close it up. And there we go. This is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.